The first thing with Potion that I'm starting on is the dashboard. Really cleaning this up, adding some new features along the way, and kind of updating the UI and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you the progress that I've made so far. So this is kind of what I've had before. I am going to eventually come back here, change some of the styling, but it's basically going to be the same, just a list of your sites. This is where it's going to change, where right now you kind of have all these tabs with the different setups and settings and snippet injection, all that stuff. Well, I'm going to change it to be this, the live editor. When they click on a site from the main page, it will go right to this live editor. Now, this is all new, and this is something that actually Ben Mann, my co-host from the old podcast, Bragg Journey, maybe you've seen him on Twitter, he is a beast at pretty much everything, UI, programming. He's just super quick. And so almost a year ago, I won the Product Hunt grant award where they give you $5,000 for winning that grant, which was awesome. Super thankful for that. Well, what did I do with that money? I went and paid Ben to do some things for me for Potion. He did some menu builder stuff, some other features, but then he built this UI, and I haven't done anything with it since then just because I never had time to get around to doing stuff with it. So this is all kind of just UI. It's not hooked up yet, and so that's the work I gotta go in and do. And there's some UI stuff that I need to change here as well. But you can kind of get an idea of what this is going to become, where you're going to be able to go to do the settings on this sidebar, and then the plan with these all pages is you're going to have a list of all your pages in your website, and you can click on them. This drop down will show, and then you'll be able to change per page settings for each page and change styles and things per page. This is something I have not had at all. This is like completely new stuff. Like, all of the settings for Potion are site-wide up to this point. And so this will be a really big thing where you can change things per page. You could add passwords to certain pages and not other pages. And hopefully in a really simple UI like this where it just makes sense. Over here is where the menu builder lives, where you can kind of update this menu and stuff like that. And there'll probably be some changes to this as well. And then if you want to add snippet injection to that specific page, you can do that right here, and it just kind of changes that live editor right there. Pretty slick. So this is kind of what I'm starting to work on, adding features with this, but I really like this new UI. And so, yeah, let me know what you think of this. Have any ideas for me? Definitely interested to hear those. And yeah, I'm excited to make some progress on this.